Morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So we had started off with permutations and combinations, and we had completed till question number 4, and question number 5 was as a homework to you, and some of the students have submitted their homework, and it's good to see that people are taking initiative after repeated announcements of submission of assignments. So people who haven't been able to do this question number 5, I'll do it for you. From a committee of 8 members, in how many ways you can choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming that one person cannot hold more than one position. So it's fairly simple, okay? You have to understand that you have to arrange this thing. You have to choose an arrangement of two person such that one can be a chairman, other can be a vice chairman. Now permutation, it has a very beautiful thing that it can be used when things are not repeated. When things are repeated, it cannot be used. Now out here it's not repeated. How can you understand that? They have told you that no one person cannot hold more than one position, right? So let's start off with simple. You have to choose from 8 to 2, 8p2. That will tell you that you are choosing out two persons such that they are not occurring again and again. So that's it. 8p2 is the answer, and it can be solved as NPR's formula factorial n minus r. Clear? And factorial 6 goes off, you get answer 56. That's for question number 5. Now moving on to question number 6. This is a fairly simple one, as it has only calculation, no use of brains and all. Factorial n minus 1 fact p3 and np4. How can I write this? Just write it out for the formula for now. What is it? N minus 1 p3 divided by np4 is equals to 1 by 9. That's it. And np1 np3 can be written as like that, and now you have to cancel out n minus 1 factorial. So factorial n at the denominator out here, this one, n minus, you can write n into n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 goes off and n minus 4 goes off as it is. So you have 1 by n is equals to 1 by 9, or taking reciprocal both the sides you get n equals to 9. It's very simple. Now 5pr. 5pr, just write the formula first, and 6pr minus 1, write the formula. Factorial 5, 6 can be written as 5 and 1, 6 factorial and 5 factorial. 6 into 5 factorial, 5 factorial, both sides cancels off, and there you have 7 minus r factorial. So you minus 2, go back twice, so you get factorial 7 minus r factor and 6 minus r into factorial 5 minus r. Factorial 5 minus r goes off, then you get a quadratic equation, and I feel at this age you can solve quadratic equations on your own to get the value of r as 10 and 3. Now value of r can be only 1. Now you notice out here p is 5, right? N is 5, so r is always less than 5. It can also be 5 or 0, but it cannot be 10, because n 5p10 will not exist, because factorial of negative numbers does not exist. Okay, moving on. 5pr factorial, same thing. Copy down the formula, and as you have done the previous one, this is also the same thing. 4 and 9, you will choose 9 because n values is less than 5. That's it. Now question number 8. In how many words with or without meaning can be formed using the word equation? Each letter exactly once. Equation. Now there is no repetition. Each word only once, so 8p8, because there are 8 letters. Or you could have simply written 8 into 7 into, by using principle of counting, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Simple. Solve it to get the answer. In how many words with or without meaning Monday can be formed? 4 letters at a time. Monday has 6 letters, so 6p4 solve it, you'll get the answer. All letters used once at a time, matlab 6p6. Clear? Solve the answer. All letters used, but vowels are but the first letter is a vowel, so you keep the first letter aside and count how many vowels are there. I think it's O and A, only two vowels, so first place can be filled out two ways and the rest of the things might be filled out in. Available is 5, you have to fill up 5p5. Clear? 5p5 is factorial 5 and first letter can be filled up in two ways. So that's it. Question number 10 will be homework. Okay, after question number 9, make sure assignments are being submitted on a regular basis. That's it for today's class. Thank you, class. Have a nice day, and make sure if you have any problem, you notify me in WhatsApp or in Google Classroom. I'll definitely try and solve the query. Okay, that's it for today's class. Thank you, class. Bye bye.